Have you ever wished your practice management software just understood your matters better? In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful and often overlooked tools that can transform how you manage cases and documents, your custom fields. At WiseOwl Legal, we offer the most versatile custom fields on the market, and we don't say that lightly. Why settle for generic software when you can tailor your system to match the way your firm works? What if your software could adapt to the unique needs of each area of law you practiced? Custom fields in WiseOwl Legal let you add firm-specific or matter-specific information exactly where you need it, from key deadlines to stage-based budgets to archive locations. You can standardize the essentials across all matters or drill down into specifics depending on the type of law. Imagine opening a new family law matter and instantly seeing fields that speak your language. Whether you're handling wills and estates, criminal law, conveyancing, or another specialty, we preload relevant fields tailored to that area, and we'll even work with you to customize them further. Want a checklist, a drop-down menu, linked contact? No problem. And here's where it really sings. These fields aren't just for data entry. They integrate seamlessly with your document management and precedent system. Once your custom fields are filled in, you can generate fully drafted documents with just a few clicks. Everything pulls through automatically, reducing errors and saving valuable time. How much time could your firm save if your documents practically wrote themselves? And because they're managed via simple Excel imports, updating or adding new custom fields is fast, flexible, and easy, meaning that we can provide custom fields customized to your firm's needs. Are you ready to see how this works in action? Let's jump into a family law matter to show you how these smart fields make your software work harder for you, so you don't have to. These custom fields appear automatically in every family law matter you open in WiseOwl Legal. They're not just placeholders, they're designed to match the structure of real court forms and required information, meaning you're collecting exactly what you need right from the start. Why retype the same details over and over when your software can do it for you? Here's an example of a family law document created using WiseOwl. Every detail you see here was pulled directly from the custom fields. No copying, pasting, or formatting headaches. You enter the information once and it flows straight into your templates. It's that easy. Now let's switch gears and explore a criminal matter. Different area of law, different requirements, and exactly why our criminal law templates come with their own set of purpose-built fields. You'll see headings that reflect bail conditions, charge details, court dates, and more. Everything is designed to help you track the information that actually matters for a criminal case, without clutter or confusion. Up next, we'll take a look at a New South Wales UCPR, Uniform Civil Procedure Rules matter. Civil litigation often means navigating complex court rules and precise documentation. WiseOwl's UCPR matter types come preloaded with fields mapped directly to the relevant court forms, making it simple to stay compliant and organised. From party details to statement of claim fields, WiseOwl ensures you're not missing a thing. And just like with family and criminal law, all of these fields feed seamlessly into your legal documents, taking the effort out of drafting. So why choose a one-size-fits-all option when you can have software that fits you? With WiseOwl Legal, your matters and documents don't just get managed, they sing. Want to see how your area of law could benefit? Let's chat and let WiseOwl work your way.